Welcome back to HubSpot for Beginners. I'm Cassie Woodforth from Neighborhood, and in episode 10 today, we're going to show you how to track your performance of your email campaigns. So you've sent your first campaign, let's see how it's performing. Now, first up, we're going to head over to our marketing email. So head back to marketing and then email. And then you just need to go find the email that you want to review the performance. Now, this is our demo portal, so we don't send anything off from here. So I've opened up another email that we have sent for the sake of this video. So once you've got your email opened up, you'll see below it all the performance rates. So I can see who it was sent to, the open rate, the click rates, how many replies we got. I can see how many bounces or unsubscriptions I got. But we can also see what's cool here, the click map. So I can see where people are interacting most, and I can give me some insights on how I can optimize my next email. I can also see who's the most engaged, which I could send off to sales so they can start reaching out to. I can actually see how long people actually spent reading this, whether they were just glancing at it or properly reading through it, as well as my email clients, so I can optimize my emails for future reference. Okay, so the key metrics that we recommend that you watch is the open rate, which is how many people opened your email. Then we've got click rate, which is how many people clicked on your links. The next one we've got is bounce rate, which is how many emails didn't make it to the inbox. And finally, we've got unsubscribe rate, which is how many people opted out. The next step from here is just making sure you're continuously analyzing that data and making any adjustments to suit and improve those metrics over time. If you're not sure what the numbers mean or how to act on them, book a chat in with us. See you in episode 11.